Our stories have to be documented. I think it's the most beautiful gift this family can give. Zinzi Mandela. What's going on, Sparks family? Welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, hi, I'm Tino Sparks. And if you're here for the second, the third, the more than 3 times, hey, what it do? So right behind me, you guys, is the famous Mandela house right in Vilakazi Street in Orlando, Soweto, you guys. This is a tourist destination, you guys. So I just want you to go inside. I just want you to go on a virtual trip with me as we explore the house, you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys like the video. I hope you guys subscribe to the channel, you guys, because on this family, you guys, we are all about bringing the beauty of Africa to the world. We are all about exploring Africa, telling the African story, telling the African narratives as they are. So yes, you guys, enjoy. So this is the Nelson Mandela National Museum, commonly known as the Nelson Mandela House. This house is situated in Vilakazi Street in Orlando West in Soweto. This is where Nelson Mandela lived with his first wife Evelyn Massey, then with his second wife Winnie Mandela and his 2 children Zinzi and Zeni. And this is where his family continued to stay even when Nelson Mandela was in prison. The Soweto house is built in the shape of a matchbox and is 4 bedrooms, which contains of the dining area, also used as the kitchen area, the master bedroom, the daughter's bedroom, and the bathroom. The Nelson Mandela House sparks a lot of enthusiasm as far as South African history is concerned. In the Long Walk to Freedom, Mandela called this house a place marked with an X in his mental geography, a place where the struggle for South African freedom began. In 1999, Nelson Mandela donated the house to the state and it was declared a National Heritage Site. Now the house is an assortment of memorabilia, paintings and photographs of the Mandela family, some of them that they used in the past. Apart from the Nelson Mandela House, there's a lot of activity going on in the Vilakazi street, you guys. There are people from all walks of life ready to have a South African experience right in the heart of Soweto in Orlando West. From the food to the rich culture of dance and music to the up-class restaurants right there in Vilakazi Street, if this street does not show the beauty of Africa, then nothing else does.
Nkosi sikeleli Afrika maluphakanyiswa uphondo lwayo izwa imithandazo yethu Nkosi sikelela thina lusapho lwayo